Let us take one more example and try to understand the second method to solve the decimal number into binary number. Now suppose our number is 38. So how do we do it? Again we will write the base number 2, read your table till 38, then you will find that your number will divide by 19 times and the remainder will come 0 and quotient is 19. Now again binary number base 2 and then again we will read the table till the 19 will divide. So now it will go 9 times and then remainder will come 1. Again we will go further, repeat the step, then we will read the table and we will find that it will go 4 times and remainder will come 1. Again we will read the table, 2 2s are 4 and remainder is 0. Again 2, you will see that 2 is we will read the table till 2, so it will go 1 time and then remainder will come 0. So now children, you can stop your dividing, stop dividing here only, and instead of writing 0 here, what we can do, we can make a arrow like this from bottom to top, from bottom to top. So this will become our most significant digit and this will become our least significant digit, as you know. So why in the previous method we have seen we used to write over here 0 and then we used to bring 1 here. Sometimes you don't remember to bring the number or you don't remember to copy the number at this side. So to overcome with that, what we do, we stop here only and then we start writing the answer. So how do we write the answer? 1 0 from starting from here, 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. Sorry. So can you match? 1 0 0 1 1 0. So it is equivalent to how much? 38. So this way you can solve this. Now let's, if you want to see another example, so I am just taking one more example, 42, decimal number 42. So let us start. Again read your table till 42 will divide, so it will go 21 times. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2, 21 times, no remainder, so remainder is 0. Then 2, again we will read the table, so it will go 10 times, remainder will come 1. Then again you divide the number and this will go 5 times, then you write the remainder, here remainder will come 0. Again further we will divide, 2 4, it will go how many times? 2 times, 2 2s are 4, so 1 remainder will come. Then again we will divide 2, 2 1 ja 2, so now remainder will come here 0. So how we will write the answer? From starting from base, go up till here and then write the number. So you can write this way, 42 base 10 is equal to 1 0 1 0 1 0. I hope all of you understand, children, and will give the base 2. So this is the very easy method to convert decimal number into binary numbers. So children, you practice. Thank you.